The silence has been deafening. For years, one question has haunted the high-end photography community. When will Canon answer the call for extreme resolution? Now, the silence is breaking. Whispers from trusted sources, deep within the supply chain, are converging on a single, terrifying truth. The camera that professional photographers have been begging for is real. It's not the R3, it's not the R5, it's the Canon EOS R4. And if the leaks are even half true, this camera won't just compete with Sony and Nikon. It will obliterate the current landscape, setting a new benchmark for resolution, speed, and dynamic range that will stand for years. Hold your breath, and more importantly, hold your wallet. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we are diving into the most explosive leaks surrounding the R4, including the monstrous megapixel count, the revolutionary new sensor technology, and the single video specification that will send filmmakers into a frenzy. The sensor. Beyond the megapixel barrier, let's get straight to the number that will define this camera. The most persistent, most shocking leak surrounding the EOS R4 is the sensor resolution. Forget 45, forget 61. We are hearing strong, validated rumors pointing to a full-frame sensor pushing an almost unbelievable 80 to 90 megapixels. This isn't just an image, it's a tapestry of light and detail. For landscape, fine art, and commercial photographers, this means the ability to produce massive prints with clarity previously unimaginable in a mirrorless body. But the megapixel count is only half the story. The R4 is rumored to introduce Canon's next-generation quad-pixel autofocus, QPAF, technology. Think of dual-pixel AF, but exponentially better. This isn't just faster focusing, it's smarter focusing. This technology is rumored to use the sensor data for object segmentation, meaning the camera doesn't just track an eye, it tracks the person's intent. This level of integration between resolution and intelligent speed has never been achieved. Dynamic range and low light performance, the impossible duo, 5 to 10 o'clock. Historically, massive resolution meant sacrificing low light performance and dynamic range. More pixels meant more noise. The Canon EOS R4, however, is rumored to shatter this compromise using a new stacked CMOS architecture specifically designed for high resolution. The leaks suggest an unprecedented 16 stops of dynamic range. Imagine pulling detail out of shadows that look pure black, or recovering highlights from skies that appear completely blown out. This flexibility in post-production will be game-changing for wedding and portrait photographers working in unpredictable light. Furthermore, despite the huge resolution, the R4 is rumored to deliver usable, clean images up to ISO 25600. Through on-chip noise reduction handled by the new Digic X Plus processor, an engine so powerful it can manage the immense data flow of an 80-megapixel sensor at high frame rates while simultaneously cleaning up the image. Speed. The silent assassin. When you hear 90 megapixels, you probably picture a slow, cumbersome camera. The R4, according to the leaks, is anything but. This camera is rumored to be capable of firing a stunning 12 frames per second with a mechanical shutter and an unbelievable 20 frames per second using the electronic shutter, all while maintaining full AF and AE tracking. This combination of extreme speed and extreme resolution transforms the camera from a studio-only beast into an all-purpose powerhouse. Wildlife, sports, and fast-action photographers can capture cinematic quality